Hello and welcome. My name is Seshu and I'm part of Net Experts Academy. In this video, I'm going to show to you how to erase the complete configurations in my Cisco router. Okay, let's go and have a look. So as you know that I'm doing all my labs through GNS. So let's go and see that I'm going to reload my router. So first of all, open the console and also just want to open my GNS. So let's open the console here. So these are the configurations which I have done in my previous video, guys. Correct? So now to erase this configuration, you can simply say erase startup config. Everything is erased. Then after that, you can say reload. So reload is the command that you are going to do that. Hey, system configuration has been modified. Save. No, don't save it. Say reload. So just wait for it. So now you guys can see here it's going to be like a factory default, guys. So I don't want to pause this video, just have a look. So it's going to delete all the configurations and all. Then after that, I'm going to show it to you in my next video how to configure dynamic NAT, those things that we are going to see. Yeah, so just wait for some time. There you go, it's completely erased. Congratulations, completely erased, guys. Okay, enable show IP interface brief. There you go, because this is there the DHCP. Why it's there? Do you show run interface is 0 by 1? Do you show run? Oh, sorry, show run interface is 0 by 1. So because this as actually as a DHCP client, that's why it's there, guys. But you no need to worry about it. But this is like a bug inside your GNS. So you no need to worry about it. But you can see there is no other configurations which I did it in my E0 by 0. It's completely erased. Also, you can see show running configuration. Do you remember in my previous video, I have shown to you like how to configure the DHCP, how to do a natting and all, everything got deleted, guys. Okay, so it's completely erased. So nothing to worry about it. And again, regarding this PC1 and PC2, you don't need to do anything. Or in case if you want to reboot or if you want to reset, just you can just right click here and say reload. That is one of the best way to do it. Okay, here nothing to do. Why? Because it's just a normal PC. So no need to do any other things, guys. Okay, so this is the way how you are going to reset your router, especially in GNS. But if you are going in real time, you can just type same configuration like array startup config. Then after that, you can simply type reload. Then after that, you'll ask you there is some configurations are modified. Do you want to say no. Then after that, it's going to start reload. It comes as a brand new Cisco router. So same thing you can do it in Cisco switches as well. I hope this has been informative and I would like to thank you for viewing.